so here is another example of a problem involving osmotic pressure. So let me do this, and do this. Okay, so let's highlight the important pieces of information in this particular problem. They gave us the mass of the solute, all right? They gave us the volume of the solution. They gave us the osmotic pressure, and they gave us a temperature. And the question is asking for the molar mass. So again, we're going to use the same equation, pi is equal to mRT, and the question is asking for the molar mass. So the key here is to rearrange this equation to solve for the molarity, all right? So M, of course, will be equal to, based on that rearrangement, pi over RT. And then we put the numbers in. So pi is 2.12 atmospheres. R is 0.0821 liters atmospheres over mole Kelvin. And the temperature is 25 degrees, which when converted to Kelvin is equal to 298 Kelvin. So let me work this out. So 2.12 divided by 0.0821 divided by 298. So according to my calculations, this turns out to be equal to 0.08, round off to 3 sig figs. So this would be 0.0867, and the units here would be moles, would be grams per moles. I'm sorry, would be moles per liter. And the reason why that is so is because the atmospheres will cancel here and here, the Kelvin will cancel here and here, so you're going to have 1 over liters per mole, which is the same thing as moles per liter. Okay, so the next step is, now that we know what the molarity is, how do we determine the molar mass? Well, we know that the moles of the solute can be calculated by simply multiplying the molarity by the volume in liters of the solution. So the molarity is, we calculated 0.0867 moles per liter, multiplied by the volume in liters, which is 0.250 liters. So 0.0867 multiplied by 0.25. So according to my calculation, this works out to be 0.0217 moles. So therefore, the molar mass, we can calculate that. That would be equal to the mass in grams of the solute divided by the moles of solute. And that would be equal to the mass, which is 22.3 grams, divided by the moles, which is 0.0217 moles, and 22.3 divided by 0.0217. So when I round that off to 3 sig figs, the answer I got is 1.03 times 10 to the 3 grams per mole. And that would be the answer that the question is asking for. All right. Okay, so those are just 2 examples I thought I should share with you. So the next video will be dealing with colligative properties of solutions of electrolytes. Until next time.